Imagine earning $100 every single day, working online, without investing a single dollar. Sounds impossible, right? But in 2025, this is not a dream anymore. People all over the world are making real money online using smart systems and simple tools. Welcome to HustleBot USA, the channel where smart hustle meets real income. Today, I'll show you real side hustle secrets that can help you reach $100 per day, step by step. So watch till the end. Let's start with the easiest option: micro tasks and beginner freelancing. Websites like freelancing platforms allow you to do simple tasks such as data entry, writing, virtual assistants, or basic online jobs. You don't need experience. You don't need money. You only need consistency. At the beginning, you may earn $5 to $10 per day. But once you improve and take better tasks, you can easily scale this to $20, $50, or even $100 per day. Small steps create big income. Now let's talk about the biggest opportunity of 2025: AI content creation. People are running faceless YouTube channels, short video pages, and social media accounts using AI tools. They generate scripts, images, videos, and voiceovers, all without showing their face. Platforms like short video apps and YouTube are pushing this content heavily. One viral video can change everything. And the best part? Most AI tools have free versions. This is one of the smartest ways to earn online. Selling digital products. Digital products include planners, templates, ebooks, checklists, or guides. You create once and sell unlimited times. Platforms allow you to upload your product for free. People buy while you sleep. Many beginners earn their first $100 online from digital products. This is real passive income. Freelancing becomes powerful when combined with AI. You can offer services like content writing, video editing, social media posts, or basic designs. AI helps you work faster and better. Charge $10 to $50 per project. Complete just 3 to 5 projects daily, and you hit $100 per day. Smart tools give you unfair advantage. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote a product using a special link. When someone buys, you earn commission. You don't need to create products. You don't need customer support. AI can help you create review videos, comparison posts, and short clips. This method builds long-term income. Here's the secret: don't rely on one method. Combine 2 or 3 hustles. Stack small incomes together. Consistency beats talent. Focus daily, and results will come. 2025 is the easiest time in history to make money online. No excuses. No waiting. Start today. This is HustleBot USA, your guide to smart online income. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.